Hello and welcome back to a special multi-part series that we are going to be drawing on the financial journey of going from poverty to health. Do not skip this intro. This is the going of honest conversation. Focus on the fundamental, the thing you need to get right. Otherwise, we will be trapped in generational poverty. Nobody can choose where and to whom they are brought to, but if you do everything right, we can choose where and how. We die. This promise of you being able to alter your destiny is at the core of every person who ever got out of the trap of poverty. This series will take you through the completely journey from poverty into this middle class first, and then on your way to research. This piece will focus on the very start, how to force your way out of the poverty study by the Brookings Institute. Show the three main factors that generate poverty: living as a family of four once you are even over the age of 13. Those are not the completely high school education. You know our position on the education system, but if you are starting our output put the stern path out is thought traditional education system, you are struggling, you don't have the luxury to look down on school. Two, children outside of oil rock if we on your in your life. An early pregnancy can take the wind out of your sail even more so if the couple will not stay together. 3. Lack called wedlock. 2 head and 2 physique are better than one, especially as a single parent, and although the marriage part does not sit that right with us on a macro scale, we believe it makes sense. Escaping poverty has two fundamental premises: one, the minimum predictable income that is enough to cover the basis, and to ability to process growth opportunities. Without those two elementary, one can get stuck in a poverty spiral. Welcome to the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. If you are not subscribed, then you missing out, but end up with the throw here at the scale for step, scale at 15 step you need to take if you are want to force yourself out of poverty. So let's go. Step 1, accept that things have to change. It's time to you and yourself have a little take a sit yourself down and think about your life and life your children will live, and what will happen if things remain the same. Contrary to what you are thinking, most poor people get really good at living the poor lifestyle. They find a rhythm, and although it's sound hard to believe, they get even complacent. This does not mean they like or enjoy their lifestyle. It just means they are not in a cross to change in order for one to escape the step of poverty. It need to be becomes a priority. Everything about the poor lifestyle will need to change, and for most people this is their currently identity, and of the cowards they are scared to lose it. The truth is this person need to die will have to skill your current self and become someone else. You will have to sacrifice for your well-being and that of your children. Will most likely need to sacrifice the people who are not benefiting your growth. Sometimes those are your friends or even family members. You cannot help others unless you help yourself first. Right now you are in no position to help anyone, so things need to change. Once you understand mentally and emotionally that you have no other option but to change, the process family begins. Step 2, honestly analyze your life and put everything down. You can make any real progress unless you get a clear inventory of your life in as much detail as possible. This not about making yourself look good instant. Be brutally honest with yourself. Begin with your finances. How much money do you earn and have coming in? How much do you spend every month? Break everything down into relevant topic like food, transportation, subscription, utilities, entertainment, clothing, family care, health, and so on. Yes, poverty is more than a money problem, but we get a feeling that money should solve a lot of the problem you have in your life right now. So you will have a make it a priority to solve money for you. Most people have no idea how much money goes where. If you are never stacking your expenses, do it for 13 days, but do it in a brutally honest fashion. The moment you close into getting the personal report done, you will be shocked at how much money you spend that maybe could be put at better use. Either way, you need this clear image because it will allow you to move on the next step. Step 3: identity, the bare minimum for survival. This is where you are going to put in some work. Go through the personal profile and identity, the minimum you need a survive. You are going to the in survival mode. This means you will allocate resources to only the most viral parts, keeping the light on, keep the water and gas going, and some food that just good enough to get the job done. And your or know your sport or Netflix subscription is not a necessity to spend at which you are able to escape poverty. Depend in your ability to live as minimalistic life as possible. I know it's gone such like your life suck right now. Anyone, if you want to, if you want to eat to stop sucking, you are going to have to make some thought choice after your identity the bare minimum for survival. You are ready for the next step. Step 4: cut everything else out for at least 6 months. This is the part that people don't want to do. It's also the reason why people never escape poverty. Growth is the result of sacrificing the present for a better future, and most don't want to sacrifice anything. They want to all upside without any effort or pain on their behalf, which is why years you go by and nothing sense. No matter how much you try to attract money into your life, send out positive thought and prayer on thing is certain. Jesus are coming to pay your rent. So be brutal with yourself. For what do you really have to lose 6 months of reality is necessary for a short to have a better life a long term. You will get out of this situation by making the most out of the resources you already have at your disposal. Give yourself every advantage you can and rid yourself of everything that making your journey longer, and this need to happen now. The longer you stay in poverty, the higher the price is to get out. This is why some people end up in generationally poverty. They never stop the blending. Your priority is to spend as little money as possible so that with the little things that left you can begin to build momentum. Step 5: get a job or increase your work value. Don't allow pride to get into the way of achieving your long-term objective. If you don't have a get on as much as you want to become a millionaire long term, you need to focus on the next 6 to uh, 12 months of your life. You have do anything you can increase your income. If you already have a job, the simplest way and earn more into the increased work value. 1 or 2 extra hours a day while living minimally will make a difference, especially if your currently workplace will pay for overtime. Remember that everything over 14 hours a week will be paid 15 more. If you are not opportunity to increase the value at your current workplace, Use the gig economic. You do this for yourself, and you will children will not have to go the same pain you are going through right now. What better reason is there to do what you must deliver for postmates or gloves or drive for your find a job on Craigslist, help small business in your area in any way that gets you paid now. Step 6, prioritization, immediately high interest debt, because you know spending less you than you were before, and hopefully found a way to slightly increase your income. It is time to address the biggest pain in your life. Debt, the system is set up in such a way it takes advantage of the poor and less educated. Just because you throw a credit card away does mean the money you owe gets with it. Never from this day forward will you ever use payday loans again. Look at the debt. You have to see who is on has the highest interest. The interest is that percentage in your contract of which you will pay on step of the money you borrowed. If you don't know, make it a priority to find out almost everything you can that does you into your survival should go to paying off the highest interest debt you carry. If you, why every day that debt is not paid, you earn more and more money. Debt in the modern version of the change. As long you have it will, you will never be free. Step 7, save 1 month worth of essential money, because you have done the analysis at step 3. You know exactly how much money you need to survive month to month. We know saving money is not your force, but it is the step of crisis. What happens if you lose your job or you have a medical emergencies? Without savings, you should have to go more into debt, more chainless freedom, more poverty for an even longer period of time. This is how you need to think about saving. You have time to protect yourself against the darkest time, because you know damn well it's just a matter of time until they come. You will literally in a race to get this minimum fund ready as quickly as possible. Step 8, pride aside, take every handout to you can get. You have no idea just how many systems are set in place to help you, because the truth it is they such at letting everyone know about them. If you can eat for free, do it. If your neighbor can take care of your children, with if you're at work, do it. If it's the city allow you to use public transportation because of your financial status, do it. You are never to go to ride the bus or walk to work, especially now when this money can go forward paying off the bed debt you have got yourself into, or it can be used for your savings fund. Use the food stamp done to buy yourself as PS5 with a stimulus check. Find program in your area designed to help. One of the most understaffed resorts out there are libraries. Through building here, you never go into libraries and exactly call, and if they were to invent them today, the subscription should cost a further fortune. At this stage is all about making progress. Put your pride aside, keep your hand down, and keep your price forward. Always remember the long term game you are playing. Step 9, identity sustainable opportunities to increase your income. At step 5, you force yourself in increase your work value thought the get the job done for short to medium period of time. It will take a toll on yourself. If your last focus were to increase the number of hours per workday that you can monetize, now it's time to increase your pay per hour. There are two ways to get this done. One, a promotion with the organization you currently work for, or two, a higher paying just at a different organization. The keyword there here is sustainable, meaning one you make the switch you can confidently predict you will earn more than you are currently earning for this feasible 12 month. This will not happen on its own. You will need to use the little remaining time in your day to look for other employment opportunities. Leverage the good work you are doing to build start with your prospective employees. Be honest, let them know you are disciplined and hard work and will be willing to make the switch for a specific salary. It is easy to scope at an additional $5 per hour, but if you are currently earning $15 an hour, an extra 5 should mean you just increase your work income by 33%. Some promotional will require you will that take the more opportunity of responsibility or quickly build a new skill set, and since this is what will get you out of the hole, say yes to every opportunity and figure it out as you go. This is your opportunity in your life. You need the extra income. Step 10, start to build good credit. In the word of JJ, you know what more important than throwing money in a steep club credit. The reason the system has you pinned down and locked into poverty is because of debt, and credit is just a different form of debt. The more system is confident you can pay off your debt, the better term you will get. Here's how you build good credit. First, pay your bill on time. Payment history is the single biggest factor that affects credit score and late payment. Can stay on your credit card report for 7 years. Make is a priority to pay them on time. Every single time to make more or than one payment per month. The lower you keep your balance, the quicker your credit goes up. Instead of paying it off at the end of every month, pay it off every 2 weeks. 3, ask for a higher credit limit. When your credit limit goes up and your balance stay at the same, it instantly lower your overall credit until it is done, which is done. Improve your credit once you show the money people you are good with the money constantly. You are ready for the next step. Step 11, refinance long-term debt for a better return. As long as you carry heavy debt with you, you will never be free. Everything you do should be focused on getting out of poverty, and debt is how poverty is measured in the modern world. One of the best way to improve your financial situation is by refinancing long-term debt. If you have done everything right up until this point, you should have no problem getting better term when you refinance. This means you can either pay less per month or pay the same but write yourself of debt sooner than before. As the making time piece, interest rate are at all time low because of the economic situation, which means this is a unique opportunity to simply work into a book. Let them know about the debt you have under the bad terms. Show them your new good credit and get the paid with a new debt that is a lot of less. Starting on your financial bank will other those consultation for free. It is their business to make sure they can offer you a better deal than their competitors. Use this competition to your personal gain. Step 12, save your month worth of essential money. By this point of your life is starting to feel a lot better. You feel in control and things are starting to look up for you. This is where people usually screw everything up and fall back into old habits. Other will see you doing just a bit better and immediately try to drag you back down to where you started. Sorry, far I can't afford to give anyone money right now. No, you will become your most common word. It is easy to identify. Money becomes people are savings that just want your money. You keep your head down and move forward. You don't need to better for phone as long as you still work. Even if the skin is cracked at this state, you don't need to be cool. You know what actually cool, not being poor for the rest of your life because you want to impress some people who don't even care about you. Don't allow everything to sabotage your mission. Be a person of purpose is work so far, which is why you finally found yourself in a position to build some runway. Use this position to put aside 4 months of essential money. This is your new priority. Will inevitably hit the fan of some point, and you need to be ready to deal with it. If you don't, all that you have built sure for like a house of cards and send you back to the beginning. You didn't come this far just to come this far and go back. Step 13, use free resources to build your skill set and monetize that. The first half of this piece force you get things under control, while the second half get you ready and it position for this right here. This is how you can going to make the leap from poverty into the middle class. The marketplace will pay you in a proportion to what you can offer it. You need a valuable skill set up and monetize. Fortunately for you, live in the best time in history to do this. You have an unlimited of value at your proposal. For free, use the internet to learn things that people will pay for. You can learn how to restore old furniture. You can learn how to use Microsoft Excel on YouTube and literally dub your salary. Learn how to manage a social media profile. Learn how to graphics design. This is the beauty of the age that you are living. For anything you wish to learn, there's someone out there who documented everything and made it available for free at this stage. Never pay for anything that you can get for free, and pay close attention to the people who want your money. As a rule of thumb, there are no get rich quick schemes. There are just people who will get rich of you. Step 14, because a constructor instead of an employee. This is where the leap actually takes place. The moment you go from being an employee to being a contractor is the crucial point in your trajectory. There are two main reasons why becoming a business is better than working for a business. On flexibility, you are not locked into a single revenue source. You can reserve the one that pay you more and more than one client at a time. To Texas and benefit society has divided the contractor are worth more of the marketplace than employees, so it gives them better term. You pay less in Texas and you enjoy more freedoms. The day you decide to work for yourself, the marketplace begins to treat you differently. If you are decent at what you do, will make a decent life. But you come from poverty, those hunger, those other people can relate to. This hunger will be your competitive advantage. It will not allow you to settle for just this. It will push you forward. Sooner than later, you will find yourself in a position to explain, and that when you will bring in help. Step 15. Group source your way out of poverty by yourself. You can force your way out of poverty and cross the line into the middle class, but it's all still dependent on you to keep performing. To be safe, you will need to keep moving up until you are as far away as you can be from the life you used to life that's where you will need other people to help you, and in exchange you will help them to do the same. People brings leverage. The collective is stronger than the sum of its part. You have your strength and your weakness. If this new rally you are building is that at last you need to cover those weakness, and other people can do that for you. If you have made it out of poverty, it's your responsibility to help other to do the same, but be very careful whom you chose to help, because some will want to be helped to make money while other will want yours and will make it their mission to take it from you. The snakes are in the grassy luxury. You have to learn to deal with them. Maybe you are fortunate and some of the steps don't apply to you. We start out food, but unfortunately debt was an issue. We simply didn't have any money and had to figure out how to build from that, but the fundamentals remain the same: sacrifice and prioritization, long term over short term, which make us under those of you who have made it out of poverty. How did you escape from poverty? Tell us your story in the comment so our community knows it is the possible. Next week you will continue this journey and break down what it takes to never be poor again. So make sure you are subscribed so much don't miss the notification. And as for those of you who are still with us, you get a special bit of information here. Bonus 18 of all in poverty land and above lesson, and get out once in 5 people born in poverty manage to move up in the society, giving their children and even better opportunity for forward mobilities. Here some English poverty don't know. A study by Fidelity Investment found that 88 of millionaires are self-made millionaires, meaning they grow up in a middle class or poor family. Only 12 of rich people alive today have inherited their fortune, and their numbers and dropping rapidly. Appropriately 41 of self-made millionaires come from poor household, according to research done by Thomas C. Corliss, that almost half going up poor. Sucks, but we know the kind of drive it instant with us. Many of the lessons we learn back them have paid divided over and over. You are living in the most abundant age in human history, and other economic is one of the brings of destruction. The middle class is being struck down, and the gap between the rich of the poor is widening. Very soon the world will be split into have and have not, and this is the time you have to decide on which side of the split you will find yourself. Technology, advanced education, money, and health will all soon be recognized to a degree until before. Outward is slowly becoming a pay to win game. We hope you are ready. Alexanders, if you are, please write the word ready in the comment section so we know you're ready for what's coming. We always value your support. Remember to subscribe for more videos, and thanks for the thumbs up.